Snoopy. Oh.
Did you get that for him, Sue?
He got another dog. He picked through the whole thing to get the dog.
What did you say?
Hippo.
No, there is a hippo.
Or did he say 2 dogs?
That's a doggy. That's a doggy.
Oh.
What
2.
else is in there?
Those are yours.
Yeah, those are yours, Rylan. Go get them.
Say, well, maybe I better get them.
What's that?
Oh, my.
That's a blue jay. A blue jay.
Jay. Oh.
Did you
What
hear
are
about
you
our blue jay
telling
and neighbor's yard?
Sue?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Just
Aunt Sue got the... I know, but it's for you. What do you tell Aunt Sue and Steve?
Can you say thank you?
Give them a big hug and kiss.
Doggies.
Wait,
Rylan?
I'll tell you what we could do.
Can you say thank you, Rylan? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Here, you can put them in here.
wait.
That's an ostrich. Ostrich. No.
That's what I thought he said down there. Kind of looks like a duck.
Lobster.
He calls it a crab.
Oh, crab.
So,
Want to put 'em in here?
what is that, Rylan? What is it?
What's that?
Oh.
Hippo. It's a hippo.
What's that song they sings?
Hippo. A wee-ma-wet, a wee-ma-wet.
Don't hit her, Tim. Do you want to put the hippo away? Don't hit him with it. Yeah, he's barking.
What else? Who else is